In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix slow download speed on Opera GX. If you've noticed that files are downloading more slowly than expected in Opera GX, there are a few browser settings that may help improve performance. One feature that can make a difference is parallel downloading, which allows the browser to retrieve different parts of a file simultaneously when supported. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable this feature step by step. To begin, open the Opera GX browser on your computer and wait for it to load completely. Once the browser is open, click inside the address bar at the top of the window. You'll need to navigate to the browser's experimental features page, so carefully type the address exactly as shown in the tutorial. If necessary, pause the video for a moment to make sure you've entered it correctly before continuing. After the experimental settings page opens, move to the search box located in the upper right corner of the page. Click inside the search field and type parallel downloading. The page will automatically filter the available features and display the matching result. When you find the parallel downloading option, you'll notice that its current setting is likely configured as default. Click the drop-down menu beside it and change the setting to enabled. This tells the browser to activate the feature the next time Opera GX restarts. Once you've selected enabled, look toward the lower right corner of the browser window and click the relaunch button. Opera GX will close and automatically reopen with the new setting applied. Give the browser a few moments to restart completely before continuing. After Opera GX launches again, the parallel downloading feature will be active. This setting can help improve download performance for supported files by allowing multiple connections to retrieve different portions of the same file at the same time. While the improvement may vary depending on your internet connection and the server hosting the file, enabling this feature is a simple adjustment that may help resolve slow download speeds. If you're still experiencing slower than expected downloads after enabling the feature, keep in mind that your internet connection, network congestion, or the speed limits of the website you're downloading from can also affect overall performance. Even so, enabling parallel downloading is a quick browser optimization that's worth trying before exploring additional troubleshooting steps. That's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled parallel downloading in Opera GX, which may help improve download speeds for supported downloads. With the browser restarted and the feature turned on, you're ready to test your downloads and see if performance has improved. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,